Hello friends, let's continue with simple factory pattern. So it creates an object without exposing the creation logic to the client. Usually what will happen whenever we want to create the object, usually we are using the new operator. But sometimes we don't want to expose our interface or informations to the client. So if our intention is like that, then we can take the help of simple factory pattern. So how it will help us? So for creating a new object, we have to write some subroutine or method. Within that method, we can create the objects. So that method is known as a factor. And the most important factor is here, it helps us to abstract the process of object creation from the client of the applications. Client does not have any idea what is the concrete class of the particular objects. So we will see, friends, we will try to understand this concept through one great example. So let's see the example. So here, if you see that, I'm zooming it. So we are trying to use this example as implementations to understand the simple factory pattern. So here, the OnlineExam. So this is the interface. It contains all the methods like start exam, finish exam, and displaying the results of the exams. The three method is there. And this is your interface, or you can take abstract class. It's upon your choice. Then the .NET is a concrete class which implements OnlineExam, similarly Java. So all the method implementations is available in a .NET class and the Java class. And if you go to the left side here, this is very important. So here exam factory. This is interface, or you can take abstract class. So here the method, the CreateExam method is very helpful. This method is responsible for creating an object. So this method is known as here a factory. And the return type of this method is OnlineExam interface. And this method, this particular interface will be implemented by exam factory. So implementation of the CreateExams means the CreateExam will create the object of .NET and your Java. But client does not have any idea about .NET and Java. These are the concrete class. So this is the main intention of your simple factory pattern. Clients simply use the abstractions to create the objects, to get the object, not create. The creation will be done by the CreateExam method. So friends, we will see the implementation in the next sections. Exactly, we are going to implement this class diagram in our next sections to understand this concept. Thank you, friend. See you in next sessions.